Okay, guys, let's start XML scraping. Okay, so the first question, why XML scraping? Okay, how many of you know about XML? Anything about XML? Anyone? There is a language called XML. So, how many of you know about XML? Yeah, Purendu, just speak. No need to raise your hand. You guys can just speak.
XML stands for Extensible Markup Language,
Okay,
and it's I can say extension of JSON. Means basically JSON is much more compact compared to XML. XML also has tags which tells a particular web page what type of content it will be and how we will display that content somehow. These are all the things that I know a little bit about XML.
okay,
Basically, the tags. Yes, this
okay,
there are a lot of things that are included, but in JSON we kind of make it like a dictionary, so things changes.
okay. So you try to compare XML to JSON, but guys, everyone, leave it, leave it. Just don't think about JSON. It will be another topic. You guys already know about HTML. Okay, so let me show you.
Hmm.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me show you guys HTML. Though we discussed HTML in our previous session at quite extent. Okay, see, in the
Voice breaking, sir.
my voice is breaking.
Now it is okay.
Okay, okay,
No,
No,
sir.
sir, you're very clear.
okay, man. Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. See, here in the HTML, you guys can see we discussed it. There are tags. One is opening tag, then this is closing tag. Most of the tags are generally in pair. As you guys can see, P is a tag, and this is the closing tag. Okay, so same goes for XML. XML is the extensible markup language. So the limitations for HTML, all the tags are predefined. You just cannot create your own tag like Amit. Okay, it will cause some problem. Okay, I don't know if it will cause some problem or not, but it just not useful. Just creating some tag. So I don't know what's the reason, but okay. But in XML, you can create your own tag like to tag is not in HTML, from, heading, body, and lot of other tag. Okay, so this is XML. So you can create your own tag. So the thing is, in HTML you can remember tag. Every tag has some definition. Like you can see P, then you can say okay, P means paragraph. But here you don't know which tag means what. Okay, a user can define his or her own tag. That's the first thing. Second thing, XML used to give your text to some structure. Like you want to send some text from A to point B, then you can use XML. XML can give it some structure, and mostly it's a tree-like structure. Okay, someone wanna say ask something? Mic is open.
Yeah, just can you just little zoom it?
Okay, is it
Yeah,
fine?
thanks.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So in XML we can store data, we can share data, and okay, so this is XML. No need to go very deep. You just guys need to know how to read, how to understand XML. Okay, so that's why I am trying to compare it with HTML. Okay, so this is your XML. This is a very small file for XML. But the thing is, there is one more. Let me show you XML. See, this is XML viewer. This code is very small, so it is fine. You guys can understanding it just by looking at it. But let's visualize it. Visualization is always good. Okay, here. So now just pay attention. This is your XML viewer. Ignore this ad. It is just popping up naturally. Okay. So as you guys can see, there is object. So what is the object? Object means, if you look at it carefully, then you will find then it starts with note and ends with note. Okay, and everything is inside this note thing. Everything is inside this this note tag. Okay, so your note, this is an object. You can consider it kind of envelope. Okay, this is an envelope. Inside this envelope, inside this object, there are lot of tag. Just look at here. Inside note there are something six. What are these six? So this six is kind of, okay, first look here. This is object. How many object you have in this whole code? You have one object. If I am going to create another object, let's say once again Amit, and okay, I need to open it, then I need to close it. Okay, and let me write here something. Div, I'm just making anything. Div hello. Why it is showing null now? Okay, let me write note.
It should be under note, no?
No, 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 I want to create another object. I want to create two objects. This is one object.
Sir, P tag can you use?
Which tag?
P paragraph.
No, 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 I don't want to use. I was just trying to check something. Okay, it is not working, so leave it, leave it. Let's back to the, okay, once again. Okay, so this is note, and note is our one object, and inside it, see, this is object, and what is the object? Object is note. Inside note there are something 6. What is this 6? If you look at carefully, you may count a line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can argue there are 8 lines, there must be 8. But if you look at the tags, link tag 1, link tag 2, okay, so 1, these two lines are just link tag, okay, 1, these two lines are style, second tag, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, these are your 6 tags. Is it clear? Then inside link there are two link tag, as you guys can see, link and link, okay, and there are two style, one to, one from, one heading, one body, okay. So if you look inside link tag, then you will find there are link Python indexing. First link is 0, second link is 1, and inside first link, which is 0 index, there are something 3 object, 3 more stuff. So as you guys can see, inside this link, if you look carefully, this is your first basically attribute, second attribute, and third attribute, type, rel, relation, rel, and id. So if you are going to expand it, you will find type, relation, id, okay. Is it clear? Now you guys can read XML tree. Is it clear or not? Ask me any question, anyone.
So this note is the new tag which we are creating, user tag, is it?
Yeah, basically in
See
XML,
the difference between HTML.
yes. Yeah, note is something
Sir,
which is user created tag, okay. There are no predefined tag in XML, or maybe there are, but yeah, we user can create lot of tag. What, how much tag we want, we can create it. Yeah,
No,
someone.
this I am saying this note block is the user created tag. Inside also, inside link style to, from, and all is already there in HTML.
Yeah, these are in HTML, link and style in
Yeah,
HTML. But if you look at the link, generally it is different from HTML. Let me check.
yeah. There you have href. We put
That's anchor, that's a tag.
so what I want to say was the XML files are more interactive with the user, and HTML is only for like accessing and viewing. So that's the basic difference between XML and HTML.
Okay, then, because I am not much expert on XML also, so yeah, maybe you are right. Okay, my only purpose is
Sir,
just to
in
make you guys to
XML,
understand about the XML, how to
No,
read
I
XML.
just
Okay,
thought.
Hello, hello, sir.
yeah.
Sir, without comparing with HTML, because I don't know about HTML, can you explain as a new student for this class?
Okay, first, I don't know your name, and second,
So,
why you don't know HTML? Why you don't know HTML? That's the question.
why?
Why you don't know HTML? You should learn HTML, because
I will know, sir, but as of now, I missed that class, and also
okay, all the lectures are recorded and on the YouTube channel. Just go and watch all the HTML
I
stuff.
will go through it. But for this session, wherever it is necessary,
Okay,
can you explain if
yeah,
possible?
I am gonna explain it, but HTML is really important because all the web scraping, there is always a question from web scraping, not one, 3 or 4, 5 questions. So you must know about the HTML. Okay,
Okay, okay.
okay. Here once again, see, let's talk in the total layman language.
Sir, is XML a data exchange format?
Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. Okay. See, here is my notepad. See, what happened? XML is some language which we written in the which is written in the tags. What are the tags? These are the tags. Note. Okay, leave the note. You can write anything. Let's say division. Div. Okay. You once you open a tag, you need to close it. This is the closing mark. This backslash or slash is a kind of closing mark. Okay. So once you are going to open a tag, you need to close it. See, this note is the initial. This note is the closing. You can see this slash backslash here. Okay. This two is the opening tag. This two is the closing tag. Okay. Is it clear? So what happened? There are some tag, and we need to create some tag inside a tag. It's kind of tree structure. Like inside this div, I am gonna create p tag. Let's say p is paragraph. Okay. There is one p tag. There is another p tag. I can write anything inside this p tag. Let's say I am writing Amit, which is my name. I want to create one more p tag, which is paragraph. I want to create one more paragraph. Okay. So this is p tag. Here I am writing another guy name. Who's asking that question? Can you please tell your name?
Sir, myself I asked that.
Ayaz. Okay. I
Sir,
don't.
in this tree tag, one we can create one more tag within the P.
Yeah, you can create it. You can create it. Okay.
Within the P.
Yeah, within p. I will tell you now. Okay. So the thing is, you can insert. You can make. You can insert any tag within a tag. Okay. So let's say I again missed your name, but like let's say Akash. Okay. So this is your another p tag. So now you can see. So what is the tree structure? If we talk about the tree structure, let me open my notepad. This, see, so the tree structure is just consider is as a, this is my div. Let me take some nice pen. This is my div. Okay. This is my div, and inside div, you can say there are two p. Okay. Okay. And inside p, let me create one another thing. A tag. A means anchor tag. Generally we use it to use some link. Okay. So link here, and whoever know HTML can say this is wrong, because we also need to give some reference, but okay, fine, leave it. Okay. So inside p tag, inside this p tag, I use a tag. Okay. So that's how we create a whole tree structure. Is it clear? Ayaz, I think Ayaz is the name. So
Yes, sir.
if you look here carefully, you will find, see, let me create the tree here. If you look at here, so you will find there is a note. Inside note there is link, and it is not only one link, it is two links. So let me multiply it by 2. Okay. Then inside link there is no another tag. Okay. Then there is different tag which is style. So here is style. Then once again style is 2 times. Let me multiply it. Then there is 2 tag, which is again these all tags are very much independent. They are not inside one to another. Okay. So you got the idea. I can write here 2. I can write here from. I can write heading. I can write body. Okay. So this is kind of tree structure here. So what happened here? I have only one envelope. Inside it, everyone is file. Kind of, it's a folder. All are the file. Okay. But in this case, we have one folder. We have two folder, and inside this folder, I have a file A, and inside this folder, I have a file B. Okay. I am just telling some layman language. These are not the appropriate technical vocabulary, but just for the explaining. Is it clear? Now you guys can read.
Link tab is not closed.
Where?
Link here
Yeah,
within the
yeah.
link.
This. There are some tags which are just kind of standalone tag. In HTML, I explain it in my lecture in my series, that there are some HTML tag like br tag, hr tag. Okay, there is no need to close it. Img tag, image tag. So yeah, you can find some tag this type, but most of the times tags are closed. Okay. And if
But here link is the already predefined in the XML, or it is your
I seriously don't know, and this question is not relevant here. Maybe it's predefined, maybe it's not, but I seriously don't know about this much about the XML. Okay. But the important thing is to understand how these tree structure work. There is no need to remember, no need to know what is the function of this tag here, because in XML you are not going to use XML that much. HTML it's important, but here you just need to understand how the tree structure is working, how to read the tree structure. Yeah, anyone, any question? Okay.
Sir, I
Can
just
we
wanted
have some?
to make a comment.
Yes, yes, please, please, please ask. Tell.
Okay. I mean, XML does not have any predefined tags. It's just a markup language.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you
Okay,
you you basically decide what you want the tags to be
okay,
named.
okay.
Is
Yeah, okay, that's a bit of piece of information, that's good. Yeah, because I seriously don't know much about the XML, and the important thing is how to read it. So yeah, like the carton now, like the carton mentioned, there is no predefined tag. So yeah, you need to define your own tag. Okay, that's the XML, and I think that's enough for XML. The important thing, you need to read, you need to know how to read XML. Okay, so that's the thing. So I hope this stuff is clear, this tree structure is very much clear. Is it or not?
So we'll be asked questions related to this tree structure.
I seriously don't know. But if it's a web scraping, they will give you a lot of a huge file, and they will ask you to find some specific information. So in that case, this tree structure, how the language, what is the format of language, this knowledge always helpful. Okay, okay. So okay,
So what is the command, sir, to get that tree which you are showing on the right side?
it is not a command. This is a some predefined. You guys can copy. See, I am copy pasting it. There are a lot of XML viewers. You can just get any XML viewer online. Okay, and I just copy paste my XML code here and click on the XML viewer, and I got this stuff. Okay, just play with the code, play with this stuff. TDS is not a subject where you have a fixed syllabus. It is more like a skill oriented subject. Just play with it, learn yourself. Okay, okay. So I hope this stuff is clear. You guys can read, you guys can see what is the meaning of this tree, how to open all the links. Is it clear or not? Two or three confirmation.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Anyone want to ask anything? You guys can ask. No,
Can we have some questions where XML is really used?
where XML is used.
Yeah, yeah. You said that when
Yeah,
you the
see,
expectation is only to
see here.
read and understand the
See here.
document, XML document.
See here.
But now, what is the type of questions we are going to ask, or which document you'll be asking?
Which document? What? Can you please repeat?
What type of questions
Uh-huh.
and which documents you'll be asking the questions? Sample questions. We just want to understand what is the level of understanding we need to
Ah,
have on the language.
I seriously cannot say anything about it. Last time they give us the cricket website, which is the quite tough. I think we discussed the cricket website. Uh, you guys were there. That crick info, and it was quite hard to scrape. Yeah, Vishwas was there. Okay, so there is no level. I mean, there is no level. Once you understand the fundamental, you can solve any big problem. Okay, so don't think which level. Just try to understand. Okay, once you understand the fundamental concept, you can solve any big problem. And if your fundamentals are weak, you cannot even solve the easiest of the questions. And it's totally up to professor and instructor which type of question they are gonna make, on which type of data they are gonna choose. Okay, and if it's about the why XML scraping or why the understanding XML is important, so the answer is here. If you look at the data, okay, you will find lot of different format, but HTML is rarely a format. See, if someone give you some to scrape a website, then HTML is important. But if you look into the data, let me check some data, water resource data, and is there some data, state wise some data, and if you look here, you will always find CSV. CSV is a very useful format. We generally use CSV in the tables. XML, XML, you will find XML is always there. Okay, JSON, and this is stuff. There is one more format, YAML. That's also very popular. Okay, you rarely see. In fact, you never see HTML or PDF or these type of format in huge data. Okay, so that's the thing. So if you want to be good data scientist, then you must know about little bit about the XML. Okay, so is this stuff clear or not, everyone?
As you told in the beginning of the class, it is used for storage and sending data.
Yes, 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 it is to storage and send data. Okay, and it provides some kind of structure to data. Okay, is this stuff clear? Okay, I am gonna move forward. So let's see some more example. Okay, leave it, I am gonna use that data .gov. Let's
Amit, for HTML code to see, we open by clicking inspect. For XML, how do we see? We need to go to that website and check.
no, it's not like that. Someone gonna like the professor or in the exam, or your client gonna give you just a XML file. It's very much like CSV file. Okay, see, there is a difference, you guys need to understand the difference. See, there are some questions, just try to understand, man. Let me draw some figure. See,
Sir, for CSV, there is a Excel tool that we can sort, we can search, we can make pivot table. What for XML?
I just use this tool here, online viewer. Okay,
No,
you can
but here we can see only, no? But how to, if the size is very large, how we can interpret?
there is one more tool I will explain soon. Okay, what I was explaining. Okay, see, so see, in the ROE, they are gonna ask you some scraping question. And what are the scraping question? They are, it may be web scraping, it may be PDF scraping. Okay, it may be some XML scraping. Of course, there is no CSV scraping, but from the CSV they are gonna ask some pivot table question. So for the web, they will give you the link of the web. Okay, then from the link you need to find HTML code. Okay, so HTML is important here. Maybe they are not going to give you simple HTML code, but they will give you the link of the web, and from there you need to find the HTML code. Okay, in the case of PDF, they will give you some PDF file, and that PDF file may contain lot of tables. Then you need to know how to scrap the PDF file, and how to scrap all the table, and how to analyze those tables. Okay, in the XML they will give you some XML file. Okay, they will give you some XML file, and it's not like from some website. They will just give you some XML file, or maybe they will give you some link from where you can get the XML file. Okay, okay, now just okay, let's data.gov. Okay, let me find this sport data. I don't know, some random sport data, some. Okay, first one seems fishy, second one seems good, number of medal. Okay, as you guys can see, I can download it in the form of CSV, I can download other format, which is JSON and XML. So my task is to work on XML, so I'm going to download it here. Non-commercial, I hope this website will work. Academia, name Ahmed, and email address is 21f1005763 ds.study, and here the code is H928RF. Okay, downloaded.
Yeah, last time we many of us had the problem. The captcha was
Yeah.
not very recognized.
Yeah. Okay, so I downloaded one XML file. Now I am going to download one CSV just to compare. Okay, non-commercial, academia, name is Ahmed, email address I just copy pasted, and here 7GH5C7. Yeah, it is working fine. Okay, so guys, I have two type of data, so let's analyze both of them side by side. I hope it's in my downloaded stuff. Okay, yeah, that's the data. So first thing, let me open this data file. Okay, let's try to understand what is this data file. Okay, so whenever you by default, yeah, someone was asking it, huh? So by default, when you are going to click on this XML file, by default it will open inside any browser. Okay, just like HTML, it will open inside some browser. So this is my data set. As you can see, there is only one object. We just study now. There is only one object, which is my data set. This is the what happened? Okay, this is the envelope, the big envelope. Inside this big envelope, I have. Let me close it first. Okay, inside this big envelope I have one, two, three, four, five, six small envelope. Now I can open each envelope one by one. Inside this row 1, see, can you guys see the tree structure here? Let me explain. I have this data set, and inside this data set I have row row 1, and clearly there are 6 rows. Okay, so when I am gonna open this row envelope, I will find serial number, year, medal won, gold, okay, gold, silver, and bronze. Can you guys visualize some tree here? I mean, it's totally dirty, I can understand, but still there is some tree, right?
Yes.
Okay, everyone clear now? There is some tree structure. So inside database I have
Yeah.
some row, and there is some row. Row 1 I have these 4 or 5 column, let's say column. Okay, so okay, I can read it very clearly. Since I have some practice, so I can read it clearly. What about you guys? Can you guys read it? Want me to zoom here? You guys can
Sir,
read it,
I
है
have
ना?
a question.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. One question there.
Will it always be the case that for given XML file, when we open row 1 or row 2, we will have same named columns?
See, uh, why we create XML? I have a data which I want to store in a very good structured format, in such a
Hmm.
format which is self-explanatory. So if a data is, if you get data from some authorized source like the government of India, then you will find it very much like in the structure manner. Okay, then inside the row you will find the same structure, like whatever the structure inside the row 1, this same structure you will find inside the row 2, because that's how you are going to store a proper structured data.
That means each one is one record. We can consider
Yes.
row one holds one record, row two holds one record.
Sorry, I'm not able to understand. Can you please rephrase your question?
Row one holds one record.
Ha ha ha, yeah.
Row two holds one record. Row three
Yes,
holds one record.
exactly. So you can say this is a record about the like year 2014, है ना? If okay, let's talk about this data. This is row number 1, and it have some record of 2014. So in 2014 we didn't won any gold medal. There was 2 silver medal. There are no bronze medal. While here in 2016 we have 1 silver, 1 bronze. So if your data is from some proper data source, then it will be structured. But if, let's say, if I want to write some letter to my friend in the XML format, then I can make it whatever I want, na? I can make it quite bizarre. So you can assume, you can just assume that your data will be very much structured if it is from any authorized source. Can you guys read it? Okay, you guys can read it, you guys can understand this data. Is it clear or not? Just spend some time,
Yes,
2-3
sir.
minutes, and say if you guys can understand from this language. No need to visualization, nothing, just this pure language, and you can understand, you can make some sense. Someone was asking,
So also we can think that each tree ends with column name.
yeah, that's also true. So you can say this is your file name, let's say sheet name, this is your row name, and this is column 1, this is column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, and these are the entries, row wise entries. Yeah, you can say it. Yes. Anyone else wanna ask something, wanna comment, wanna give some information?
We can also do it column wise, right? Instead of row wise. Column one,
Yeah, I
column.
mean, it is kind of table. You guys can understand that this is table. If I can ask, if I am gonna ask, ki how many bronze medal we won in 2018, so you guys know. First, we need to reach 2018. Then you guys can look at the bronze. So yeah, it's either you can make it as a column wise or row wise. The important thing is you just need to understand. You just need to look at the data, and you are able to make some sense from it. Okay.
Sir, like how we can convert our Excel to CSV using the export, can we do the same with XML?
You can do it, but I am not going to answer it now. Okay, post it on the discourse, I will answer there, but this question is for now, this is irrelevant. I am not going to answer it. But the thing is, you can do it by the two manner. First is, there are so many ready-made software. Just type the right here, XML to CSV, you will find some software. Second thing, you can do it in the Python. So maybe after scraping, if there is a time, I can explain it, otherwise not.
So can I make a comment?
Yeah, of course, Carlton, always.
Okay. One thing to remember is XML is um, has a hierarchy for data, whereas CSV is a flat table. So there is no data hierarchy in a CSV table. I hope that kind of clarifies why conversion may not be that simple from XML to CSV.
That's a really nice thing. Yeah, that's the proper
Actually,
answer.
Excel I was asking. Excel is.
But again, Excel is also a flat data type. So this is really well mentioned by the Carlton. So you can see there are hierarchy. What's the meaning of the hierarchy? Maybe you guys are confused. So hierarchy is very much like tree structure. There is some data inside envelope. That envelope is again inside some other envelope. Meanwhile, if you look at the CSV file, it is just a comma separated value. You have lot of row, lot of column, each are comma separated. So it's a kind of flat. There is nothing like one data type inside another data type. Okay, so it's here this sheet is very much easy to read. There are simple rows, simple column. So yeah, but what if I have some data set in one envelope inside another envelope, and then one more envelope, then rows, then it will, maybe then you cannot convert it simply into CSV or Excel format. Okay, yeah, thanks Carlton, that's really important point. Okay guys, so this is my first XML type, and now I am going to look at this CSV type, same data. Let's look at it. Okay, it is taking some time. Okay, now you guys can see here, since once again, since there are only two envelopes, so you can say one is row, another are column, which is here. These are the column and these are the row number 1. Okay, row 1, so 1 14 Na 2 Na, these are the columns, serial number, year, medal, bronze, silver, gold, silver, bronze. Okay, so yeah, here it is easy because there are nothing, there are only two envelope, two layers, so you can convert it into row and column, but it is not always possible. Okay, I hope everything is clear. I hope you guys can study, you guys can read XML data. Okay, anyone else, anyone wanna suggest or ask something? Okay,
XML data can be formatted, means different fonts and colors.
what's the point, bro? This is totally irrelevant. Yeah, of course you can do it. You can open this data in the VS Code and you can use some formatting tool. You can do it. Okay, XML you can format it in different colors and just play yourself. Play, tinker with data. You will learn always something. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Let me just do last thing. Let me put this data here. Copy. Cancel. Copy and just let me see the tree here and paste. It is showing null because the first line is messed up, so I need to remove the first line. Now I hope it will be fine. Yeah, now it is fine. As you guys can see, object, what is my object? My object is dataset. Okay, here it is easy to read. A object is dataset. Inside dataset you can say there are 6 rows, and inside each row there is something. Now you guys are gonna ask why this row 6, because I never opened the row 6, and so I just copy paste it. But you got the idea. Here it is very much visible, serial number, year, medal, silver, bronze. Okay, so I hope you guys can visualize it. Okay, let's move forward.
This XML file like HTML, can it be like, if you open it in the Chrome, will it be viewed as a table, or
No.
nothing to do with that?
This is like the Chrome, and it is just like this.
Okay, so this will be as it is like this only.
Yeah, see, the browser can parse your HTML file. Okay,
Oh,
browser can parse your HTML file, but browser cannot parse your XML file. Okay.
okay, fine,
Okay.
understood.
Okay, so I hope XML is very much clear. Now I am going to work on how to parse XML. So this is very small chart, but what if I have not chart, data set? What if I have really huge type of data set? Then what I am going to do? So parsing is really important, but I am not going to take any huge data set. I will just work on this small data set. Okay, just the fundamental of parse XML scraping, and
For
after.
XML viewer is the tool to analyze the data given in the XML file, XML folder.
Uh, what do you mean from the tool, like analyze? I am not able to understand.
Already here it is showing medals one so and so like that.
Ha ha ha. Okay.
Total number of medals one so in each row wise.
Yes.
So uh, to,
Okay.
to analyze the data, is it useful this XML viewer?
Okay, so the thing is, first method is this Excel, which I just open it. Okay, but once again, as Carlton mentioned, this data is very much simple. Okay, this data have only two envelope. Let me name it envelope. One is row, one is this thing. So you can convert it all the row as a column or as a row, and all these attribute as a column. But it is not always the case. Okay, sometimes things are different. Then you can use Python. Okay, so how you can use Python? Let's discuss it now. So once again, I am going to open my Colab. You guys know how to use Colab. I hope recording is working. Yeah, it is working. Okay, so if you guys want to do with me, you guys can work together. Okay, this is Colab file, and let me open a new notebook.
So should we also download that XML file?
Yeah, your XML file is let me find. Just
Data.gov.
yeah, go to data.gov.com, type sports
Okay.
and find the second file.
Sports.
Yeah, and
Second file.
yeah, second row, I mean second data set, which is about some boxing gold medal. Okay.
But I have only CSV download here.
There is a column called another format, just check it.
Export in other format. Okay, fine.
Okay,
Okay.
so everyone just do it, and let me see the hand how many of you are gonna do with me.
Please send the data, which data?
You need to download it yourself. Rather just mention how to do it.
Data that you are using.
Bro,
Yeah,
you need to listen, man. You need to listen.
I've downloaded it.
Yeah, she already find it. Rather, if possible, then just copy paste the link here.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, don't paste the link here. Let them find themselves. You already paste the link? No. Yeah, find yourself, guys.
No,
Find yourself. You are data scientist. I mean, seriously, do some work. Lot of spoon feeding here. Now, do some work. We just go to the data.gov.in, type sports in the search box, pick the second data set. Okay, here Ritik Roshan. Okay, okay, fine. I mean, yeah, these hands are in my support. Thanks, guys. Just let's work. Find data set and tell me, and do some work, guys. You guys, lot of spoon feeding, huh? You guys got data? Anyone facing problem in getting it data? Oh, Kevin is here. Hello, Kevin. Long time no see, man. Who else is here? Abhishek Pandey, Ayushi, Janma Joy, Kavya, Sarvani, Manish, Pratap. Okay, nice. Purva. Okay, it's good to see regular people, huh? Nice, man. Okay. Yo, hello.
What is the dataset name?
It's the second data set, something like sports, gold medal, boxing championship. Yeah, nice Aryan. Okay, I hope all of you guys got the data. See, this is
Yeah, the file name is datafile.xml.
mhm.
It is about boxing. It's boxing data.
Okay. So whoever not able to find the data, just see. You just type the sports search, and it's second one. Year wise detail number of medal won by India at the Women World Boxing Championship, 14 to 23. Okay, and here's CSV, and click here, you will find different formats. So we are working on the XML, so download it and be hustler, guys. Do some hustle. Okay. uh, nice Varun, Shubham. Okay, I'm gonna start. Okay, anyone have any question? Anyone is facing problem? No. Okay. Okay, so just open a Google Colab notebook. We already know how to open a Colab notebook, and here in the file, there is the file. Click here, and you need to upload the file. And this is data file XML. Okay, just upload the file. So first thing, I wanna see my data. First, I wanna import my data. Okay, this is first time I am doing XML scraping. Actually, second time. I did the first time in the morning. Now this is second time. So maybe I'm gonna make a lot of mistake, but fine. First, I'm gonna open this file. Okay. So for open, we generally use pandas. We generally use pandas and read underscore CSV. So I'm gonna use read underscore XML. Let's see if it will work or not. So let's do import pandas as PD. We always use pandas as PD. It's a convention. Okay, and then I can write my data set. Data is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV. Generally use CSV or PDF, but since we have XML format, so I'm going to use XML. Bracket inverted comma name of the data file dot.
But this file you have already added in this folder, right?
Yeah, we need to
We
add
also
it.
need to add.
We need to add. I added it. Okay, you need to add because your collab doesn't know which file you are working on. So you need to
Yeah.
upload that file here in this part. Okay. So I am working on pandas. Pandas is a tool, a library in Python which can bring the file, which can read the file. Okay, which can bring the file from here to here. You guys can ask the question if you have any question. Just check it on the. Okay, no one gonna share. Just check on the YouTube channel. Check on the TDS channel, guys. Do some effort, huh? Just find it. There's a playlist named Web Scraping for from scratch. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna run it and let's see. Always run your cell. Just write one or two line of code and run your cell, so you can see where is the problem. So this is tick mark, which means my cell is working fine. Now I'm gonna write here data. Okay, very nicely, very neatly I can see my data here. So someone was asking how can I open my data. So first option was Excel, but maybe you cannot open it in Excel. Then this is the second option in the Python. Colab is very much powerful tool, so you can open a huge data here. Generally huge data doesn't open in the Excel, but you can open it this in this Colab. Okay.
Sir, sorry for interrupting in
Yeah, it's fine, it's totally fine. Yeah, you can ask.
Can I know where are the recordings for the Monday special series?
Monday special series, it must be on YouTube, or maybe they haven't uploaded it yet, so I don't know. But it must be, if there is some new videos, it's always on YouTube.
Similarly, the recordings of the current ongoing terms live sessions details.
There are, like, I have taken already 8 or 9 live sessions. 3 of them are recorded, so I post it, and this is the another one. I will also post it there. Other live sessions are not recorded. They are not important also.
You know what is the channel for the live recordings?
Arey guys, come on man, see. YouTube, type YouTube. Don't look at my history stuff. And then online degree IITM. Then here, spend some time, bro, guys. Do some effort and scroll down. You will find course channel, foundation level course, diploma level course. This is tool in data science. Click on it. Go to videos. Here are some videos. Yo, this is
thank you, sir.
Very good. What? Thank you. Put some effort. This is seriously. This is disappointing, guys. You are in diploma, man. Seriously, this is the playlist which I recorded. Okay. I hope it will work fine. Yeah. Okay, now here. Back to work. So this is. If anyone have any problem in these 3 line of code, then ask anyone. This is really important stuff. I hope.
Do we require some extra parameters to pass to pd.read XML? Like for
No.
Excel, we have n rows.
For now, there is none.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear? Every one of us are on the same page.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So we have to.
Okay, nice.
You said to download the file from the in XML format, sir.
Yes, XML. Yeah, XML format. Yes.
So then, after downloading, how to view it? Through which? Can we open it in the Google browser or?
Okay.
You have Chrome browser.
You have your file here in this area in some local drive.
Yeah.
Just upload it here. Just click on this icon. Okay, when you gonna click on this icon, you will find this left pane here. This is file upload, and upload your file here, and see, you can visualize it here. Okay,
I'm not able to see your screen also, sir. Yeah.
my screen is not visible.
Only the
It's visible.
It's visual.
Okay, okay,
what
No,
you're
it's
saying, I'm
visible.
not able to see.
bro,
I'm
there
hearing
must
you,
be
It's
but
some.
visible, Amit.
Okay, there must be some network problem from your side, brother, but my screen is very much visible. Okay, but
no,
if
the other screen is visible, sir. The XML file which you have showed, that is visible.
here,
The thing which you have said just now, that YouTube also, that also I can't see.
then there is some problem from your side on your internet. Okay,
It's visible, Amit.
yeah, yeah, it's visible to everyone. Okay, but if you want, if you already downloaded the file, just double click on it. It will open inside any browser. Okay, just double click on your file, which is the XML file. It will open in some browser. You can visualize it there. And if it is not visible, then how are you gonna learn it? Okay, fine. Okay, so this steps are done. Okay, so I can see my data. Since this data is very small, okay, I can see it. I can analyze it. Once again, the question is, if my data is very huge, then what? Then we are gonna do the scraping. First, we are gonna do the scraping on this small data. If we will have time, we will move to the larger data. So this is the data set. Okay, now do some scraping. Okay, so when I was trying to do it, my first approach to scrape it with Beautiful Soup, but I find some problem in Beautiful Soup. I mean, I was not able to parse it. So there is another library which is called element tree. Okay, see here, element tree library in Python. This is the library element tree. So you can see this works for XML e tree, which is element tree. So what happens when your document have some kind of tree structure, like we discussed, our XML file have some tree structure. So this element tree can work very good on it. Okay, so we are gonna work on this file, not this file, but our file, and we are gonna use this element tree library. Okay, so let's work it. This is the name of the library. So I'm gonna import it. So copy from here. You guys need to type it. Okay, okay, I'm also gonna typing import, no, from, okay, no, we need to import it. Okay, import. So XML, since we are going to work on XML, e tree, okay, dot element tree. So you can see this is here element tree.
So
Okay,
is this the parser for XML?
you can say this is the Beautiful Soup for the XML. This is the parser, or
Okay.
you know, for,
Like Beautiful Soup used to parse HTML, this is for XML.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I was trying Beautiful Soup, but I don't know, maybe I made some mistake, it was not working. So this is better alternative. Okay, so I have this import. Since the name is quite long, so I am gonna rename it as et. Again, convention, like we generally use pandas as pd, so we are gonna use this elementary as et. Okay, I hope there is no problem. This is very neat and clean, simple thing. I just run it and it is running fine. Okay, so I always suggest you to just write a single line or two line or three line of code and run each cell, so you can find your mistake. Okay, so here it is. So everyone just try it and tell me if this stuff is working fine or not. Okay,
Yes, it's working.
it is working.
Working, sir.
Yeah, nice. So when I was reading this stuff, then I find there are two important things. One is tree and another thing is root. No need to read the document, I will explain it. So what is tree, what is root? Since our whole XML file is kind of a tree, so first we need to define tree. Just pay attention. Tree, you can write any name here. Okay, but let me write tree. So what is tree? Tree is et dot parse. I am gonna parse my whole data set. Okay, I am gonna parse my whole data set. So what's my data set? My data set is this data dot file dot xml. I don't even need to I don't even need to use these three lines. Okay, even if I am going to remove it, there is no need to use of pandas. This file, this et stuff can bring my file from here, can read it. Okay, now I am going to use tree. See, just pay attention.
But the file name is data file, right? It is data.file. It's not data.
That's why it is not working. Thanks for pointing it out. That's why it is not working. If you look at the error, you will find no such file as data.file. Okay, so always the last line of the error give you some valuable tips. So I'm gonna run it again and let's see. Yeah, Yeah, it is working, it is working. It is xml dot e tree, which is the name of the library, dot element tree is at something, which means my code is working and there is some file is there, it is proper. Okay, now the second thing is root. This is important. So now what is the tree, or you can say it data. What is data? So you can just type it. This is a variable, you guys know. You can name any variable, you guys can even give your own name. It will work. Okay, so but again, since it's a convention, so I'm gonna use tree. We generally call initial data as a tree, so because of this tree like structure. Okay, okay, why it is not working? Yeah, it is working. Okay, so now we have our tree. Now we are going to look for the root. The question is, what is the root? So if you look here, what is the root, guys? Who's going to give me the answer? Guess.
Dataset.
Cool. Data set. Okay, so okay, let's work here. Root is equal to, I want root of my tree, so tree dot get root. Very simple, very intuitive type of functions, and I am going to type root. Let's see, I'm excited. Yeah, yeah, that's the answer. Data set. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? So we
Yes.
have our root.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Does this gives the name of the root, or it creates a root object there?
it gives the name of the that biggest envelope, the envelope which is covering everything. This is our root.
Okay.
Everything is inside this root, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so is it clear?
But so then, what is the use of it?
What is a what? You will find it, you will find it soon, because now the thing is, whatever I am going to do it, I will work on this root. Okay, you will see it soon. Okay, I got my root. Now the question is, what is the use of it? Why I am parsing what now? Okay, I find elementary, I find some root, and I can even see the root here, this data set. Everyone know it is very intuitive. So what now? So it will work for my further parsing. So let's check this root. So inside this root, if you remember my visualization part here, here. So inside this root, if you look object, if you look the data set, so you can see there are some 6 element inside the root. Okay, so intuitively what I did, I just used some Python here. I thought this is pure my discovery for today. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I can use len function. Okay, and just a blind guess, and it worked, guys. So that's the interesting thing. So since we are working with the Python, so now your root is this this data set, and I don't know how many small envelope are there, how many immediate branches are there. See, I am saying immediate branches. So inside data set, these are your immediate branches. Okay, these are not, no, these are your immediate branches. So when you write simple Python function len root, you will find all the immediate branches, and you know there are 6 rows. Okay, you know there are 6 rows here. So this is very much accurate. Okay, so just an interesting find, and which is really cool. That's what you will get when you play with data. Okay, now another important function is find all. If you guys remember, in beautiful soup we also use find and find all function. So I was trying to use this find function, and it was not working. Okay, so it was just not working. So but find all was something different. Okay, so the important thing, inside find all you need to give the name of some path or some element. Okay, so if you guys remember, I'm trying to connect it with HTML. So when we apply this find and find all, we used to give the name of the tag. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna give the name of the tag. So which tag I should give here? Row 1. Let's try row 1. Okay, so my purpose is find row 1, row 1. Will it work? Okay, it run, but it is not giving any output.
Amit, can I give an idea?
Yeah, please,
Sorry.
please.
If you try to print root and then square bracket and one inside the square bracket one, it is working.
Here,
Using
Basically,
Not
Oh,
it's
okay,
another
yeah,
method
yeah,
to
yeah,
use.
yeah, yeah. I know it. Okay, yeah, that.
like dictionary.
Okay, so tell me, who's the name? Shala.
Sala, yeah.
Okay, so tell the thing. You just is the just your brain child just pop from this idea pop up from in your head, or you just steal it from somewhere?
What did he say?
Yeah, I mean, you just got this idea out of the thin air, or you just read it somewhere.
No, no, I didn't read it somewhere. I just got an idea.
Okay,
I
that's
tried it myself.
that's the beauty, and that's the thing. So I mean, this is the interesting part. So this all is Python. So just apply everything, whatever you know now. Just try to apply it. There is some different joy to find something by yourself. Yeah, Shala, that's a legit reason. That's a legit method. So we are gonna use it. Okay.
But it is showing with the element and index, such kind of thing. But we are getting the data.
Yeah, let's see, we are working on it. So let's see what's there. Okay. So okay, so the thing is, let me try here once again. So the first thing is find. So if there is some element which we want to find, then we use this find here. So I was writing row 1, I run it, and it is correct, but it is not giving any output. So what's the reason? The reason is there is no such element as row 1. Why so? I can see row 1 here. The reason is
Capital.
capital. Perfect. So I'm gonna change it in the capital uppercase ROW row, and here there is some element named row 1. Nice, that's what we want. So copy paste once again, and now I'm gonna use find all, because I remember there was some find all type of thing in beautiful soup. So root find all, but once again it is giving me only single row 1. Okay, so that's the thing, which means there is only one row. Okay, now let's work on the Shala's suggestion. Shala suggest row then 1. Okay.
Not
Oh,
row. It
sorry,
is root.
root, my bad. Root 1. You guys can guess the answer. Row 2. Why row 2? Because we know where is my tree structure, because we know we are working in Python, and in Python first row is row 0. Okay, I mean, yeah, in the Python its index is 0. So if I'm gonna write it here 0, so I will find my row 1. Okay, now we are at the element level. The thing is, we was at the data set. This was my tree. Let me write it here. This was my tree, and this is my inside tree, or say not tree, let's call it root. It was my root, and we are now on the inside root. Okay, we are on the first level. See, root 0 on the first level. Okay, I am gonna play something. I am going to the second level. Can you anyone wanna guess what's my second level will be?
0 0.
Yeah, okay.
Serial
Zero.
number.
And the answer will be, okay, who's
Serial
Serial
number.
number.
very nice, man, very nice. You guys are learning very fast. Yo, serial number. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. Nothing very important, nothing very tough. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Just do it, play with it, yeah, man. Just let me call the name. Yeah, someone is raising hand. Yeah, Sanam, wanna ask something? Okay, no. Okay, guys, just work on it, and meanwhile I'm gonna read the messages. Carlton, the important team have not uploaded. Yeah,
Suppose we want to get that text,
yeah.
like serial number, not available and all that details.
Here, dot text. But leave it. We are gonna work on it. Just take it slowly, man.
Oh,
And it's not the fun. If I'm gonna give you just some all the tools, it's not fun. Just take it slowly. Everyone, please come on the same page, man.
I mean, you said you are recording it, is it?
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm recording it and saying a lot of nonsense. Yeah, it is recorded.
The recording is not visible, that's why.
Yeah, I don't have the permission to record, man. See, so I'm recording it locally. I will give the recording to the IIT team.
Oh, okay.
Okay. No, Radha, that's the not the Monday special series. Web series scrapping is different. Web series is our series, and Monday special is from the professor and instructor. And
but did it happen? It didn't happen.
yeah, it happened. It happened. They will upload it soon. It's totally in the IIT team have it. So
No, I generally don't miss any live sessions. Only one session we missed
No,
because of the
it's no
revision.
no no. It's not live session. It's just recorded. The professor and instructor recorded by themselves.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Even I don't know what's the content in it. So
Okay, okay. Thanks.
okay guys, just work on it.
Sir,
Ha ha. Pratap.
could you scroll up once again, sir? The second
Yes
line
yes yes.
before the length.
See, you guys just should work from here. I mean, okay, just wherever you want. This is the important code. We just import the library, import the library in our word et. Then we define the tree. Tree means our whole structure. Then we find the root, the fundamental, the starting point of our XML. Okay, and then we are gonna work on the in that root. Okay, so this is very intuitive type of command. Tree dot get root, then root, then I just find, I was just playing after it. I just find length, I just find all these stuff. Just play with it and tell me if everyone is on the same page. 3 more minutes, okay? Then I will tell you some more tricks and tips. Not trick and tip, just
Scroll down.
okay. Just think about it. Think about it. Why I wrote 0? Why I made this square bracket? Why I wrote 2 times 0? And what if I'm gonna write here 1 and 2 or something different? Think about it. Okay, this is important. Think about it. Simple. This is easy stuff, but important. Okay. Okay. Let me check how many people are working. You guys can see it, huh? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take the name. You guys can open your mic and answer my call. Sanam, are you working? Sanam is new guy. Huh? I think he's not working. Okay, one more Amit. Okay, Amit is asking Amit. Okay, nice. Yeah, I am a student. I am recording it locally. I will share it with the instructor and IT team. They will upload it. Okay. Okay, Sam. That's cool. That's cool. Ananta is old guy. I mean regular, so she must be working. Ananta, Abhishek, Amit. Okay, Amit is new. Ananta, Abhishek, Amit. You guys are working, right? You guys can open your mic and say or type whatever you want. Okay, I can hear really nice voice something from background. Okay, Abhishek, Amit, Ayushi is working. Shridevi is new. Carton, I know Carton. He's working, and I know that he's finding something new, huh?
Sir, I was able to do the work till that uploading of data file. That was fine in
Why so slow? Why so slow, man? Why so slow? Okay, just do fast. Work from here. Okay.
okay.
Carton, Carton, I can leave the stuff of tinkering to you. Just find something nice for me. Okay. What about you, Kevin? You are very quiet today, huh? Kevin is also active guy, huh? He always finds something interesting.
So working on it.
Yeah, nice, nice. GK. I remember GK has that GKAYK, this type of username on the discourse. Okay.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, I remember GK. You remember I wrote that post about the difficulty of all the diploma subject, and you was quite an active commenter there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I think it's like 2 years back. I remember it. Ritik is regular guy. But I know Ritik. Ritik, if you have any problem, you can ask Janmajoy. Okay, I know Janmajoy. Kapil is here. Nice. Kavya, after a very long time. Nice man. Sharvani, Manish. Okay, okay. I think she said hello. Hello. Nikhil. Okay. Okay, Nikhil Pankaj. You guys are new. Are you guys working?
Yeah, me.
Nice,
I'm
nice.
also working along with you.
Yeah. Just guys, if any one of you done, then just try to put more index or do some more, है ना? Pratap is also regular guy. Pratap, Pranjali.
Sir, in documentation, the attribute tag is not working.
Okay, okay. We will work on attribute. Okay, just write down somewhere. We will
Only
work
will
on
work.
attribute. Okay, we will check it. There are two things, tags and attribute. In Beautiful Soup, we also work on the tag and attribute. There is one more thing which is XPath, which is not very clear, so I'm not gonna go there. Maybe another day.
The tag is working, but attribute is giving always null, means null dictionary.
Okay, we will check. Okay, we will check attribute. Maybe there is no value, no text there, so maybe it is giving null. Okay, what about Pratap, Pranjali, Prashant? Are you guys working?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Nice, nice, nice. Prashant, any problem?
Yes,
Okay, okay, cool.
I got that.
Nice, man, nice. Prem, Purva, Purva also very long time, huh? Purendu, Radha, Radha is working, Shala is working, Shala.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, Purendu.
I was trying to find all the elements with name serial number.
Mm-hmm.
So as usual, I put like some variable and root dot find all serial number,
Haha.
and then I was iterating through it
Huh.
so that I can get some value. But it is not printing anything. Can you suggest why?
Okay, see, first thing, serial number is kind of stuff which is inside one more envelope. We are working on data set, we
Yes.
need to go into row level, then we can find one. If you are gonna find all the serial number, then you need to make two loops. First loop is for row. This is my suggestion. I don't know how to do it. I will also work on the program from scratch. But my suggestion is first create a loop for the row, then create a loop for the serial number. Okay, and try to find, try to print it. Just try.
Okay, index two times. I got it. Means we have to run two loops and one in a nested fashion.
Yeah, nested way, nested fashion. Yeah, this is my suggestion. I mean, maybe there are another way, but this is what I can think about. Okay, just try it. I will also try. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, what was Sanjeeva Rao? Sanjeeva Rao, first time I see you. Shubham, Subramanyam is regular. Suman, Varun, Vishwas is also regular. Okay, so what about you guys?
No, sir, this is the third class, sir.
Okay, third class.
But
Man,
uh,
how can I miss
but,
you? I mean, I generally remember everyone, so yeah. Okay, sorry, bro. Are you working?
no, sir, just 10 minutes back I took a break.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. It's fine, it's fine. But try to work with us, man, because I also learned with you guys.
Because I just came from the duty.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yes,
I'm
fine,
working
fine.
as a physics lecturer.
But just okay. Tedious is stuff which you learn only by doing. Okay, so practice it. What about you, Shubham, Suman, and Varun? You three are new.
Sir, are you recording this one, sir?
Yeah, we are recording it, but it's good if you work with me, so you can ask
Okay,
me some doubt.
okay, sir.
But I think you are not working. Okay, leave it, man. What about you, Suman and Varun?
Done. Mine is done.
Cool, cool. Okay.
Yeah, I'm. Yes, sir.
Facing any difficulty, anyone?
No.
Sir, up to row 0 I have done, sir, at line number 28. After that, I don't know.
That's fine. It's fine. We are just playing. You can use trick. Matlab, just try yourself, no? Okay. I hope everyone is done. Let's move forward. Okay. Okay. So now, okay. So this is the stuff which I just find with the help of tag. This is the tag. Okay. If I am going to see one more thing, see, if I am gonna print root, just watch carefully. I wanna demonstrate something. If I am gonna print root here, I will find the data set, which is the this level, data set level. If I am gonna print root square here, first element, then I am at the level of row 1. Okay, here I am at the level of row 1. So can I find something which is inside the first level, which is second level, which is my row level, and can I use my attribute here? So let me try. Find, and inside here I am gonna write year. Yes, I can find it. Okay, so is this step clear? Step by step. Okay, I can also do it in this manner also. See, I can also do it in this manner. I can count it 0 1, so I can write here 1, and I will find the year, the same thing. But what if I have really used data, and now I am at the first level, and now I want to find by some attribute. Let's say there are thousands of attribute, and I just remember okay, there is an attribute which means which is like year. So can I do it? So the answer is yes, I can do it. Now there is one more thing. Just knowing the attribute, it is showing tick, which means this code is proper. It is showing this element at some code level, which means there is a attribute there. No, not attribute. This row is there. Okay. Sorry, I am saying attribute, but this is tag. Okay, this tag is there. Attribute is something different. We will discuss about it. Okay. So some year is there, but I want to read this thing, and you guys know what is this thing. This thing is text. Okay.
What text?
Yeah, so I'm gonna copy. Okay, no copy paste, just let's write it. Root root is my root, which is database. Inside root, I am going on the first level, which is 0 level. You guys can see row 1. Here I want to find some some tag which is year. Okay, here I am at the year level, which is there because it is showing me its address. Let's call it address. Okay, and here can I find the text? So the answer is yes, I can find the text, and you can see this text is in inverted comma, which means a string. This text is in a string format. What else can I find here? So just watch it carefully. What else can I find here? If you look here carefully, only this line. This is a very simple line. There are two tag and one text. So I think I can also find the tag here, tag tag. Though there is a very stupid thing typing the tag, because I already know the tag here, but still this thing is interesting, because if I am gonna write this way, if I want to know, okay, I am at the root level, what is my first tag, then this tag element will help me. If I want to know what is my second tag, then this tag element will help me. Is this stuff clear? Text and tag.
Also,
Even if
we
you
write
write the last
text
line.
in place of tag.
Please, one by one. Okay. Please, one by one. Decide yourself who's gonna say first. Just one guy.
The last part, can you explain again, please?
Okay. Last part I will explain. Another guy. What you wanna ask or suggest?
Uh, in place of tag, we also write test root
Of course, of
in
course,
bracket
of
0 1
course,
dot
of
test.
course.
We
Text.
will get the same output.
Of course, you get the same. Okay. Okay. Last part. Last part I am explaining. See, guys, Python is really required here. So if you guys just reached in diploma and you just completed your Python like 2 or 3 terms back, I highly recommend to revise the Python. Okay. So the thing is, what I did here. Let me explain again in the fresh line. See, if I am gonna type root here, then you will see this root, my data set. Okay. If I am gonna type here tag, then you will find tag name of my root, which is data set. Okay. So the first method is tag. If I am gonna type text here, what happened? Okay, sorry. If I'm gonna type text here, this code is executed, but there is no text. Okay, because if you are gonna open this data set, you will find all the envelope inside envelope. There is no text. Okay, is it clear? So this is the
Yes,
first
sir.
thing. So now, since I have my root, which is data set, I want to go inside this root. So how can I go inside this root? Simply by
Using
typing,
indexing.
yeah, indexing, zero indexing. Okay, so I see at my zeroth level I can see the row. Once again I can find tag. What is my zeroth tag? It is row 1. Nice. What is my zeroth text? Once again there is no text, because if you open the row you will find there are only envelopes. Okay, there is no row, I mean there is no text. Okay, now I want to go inside, I want to go the first level. How can I go the first level? See,
Again, indexing as
yeah,
at
yeah,
the zeroth position.
two way. First I can index it as a zeroth position, or I can just type here. Okay, so let me just index at the zeroth position, serial number. Here I can type it as a tag, I can search it by the tag, or another method is like root and root dot find inside row 1. You can use whatever method you want. Okay, and inside row 1 you can use either indexing. Let me check. Yeah, you can use indexing. Okay, or you can use this type of indexing. Okay, this is totally up to you, simple Python method. And once again you can try tag feature or tag method, and you can try text method, text text. Is it clear? Someone was asking the question, is it clear or not?
Sir, the second method that you show, row dot find row 1 of 0.
Mm-hmm.
If I change this to 1, I think that it will show everything very. Yes, okay, sir, it works right.
Okay. See, if you're going to write here 10, it will not work. Why?
It will not work
Yeah,
because that doesn't exist now.
yeah, out of index we have only 0 1 2 3 4, at max 4. Okay,
Hmm.
5 will not work. Okay, this is simple Python stuff. Okay, okay, so I hope this stuff is very much clear to the everyone. Okay, so how can we find something by indexing, how can we find something by tag, it is clear. Now this someone was asking about the attribute, and the thing, I cannot see attribute here, there is no attribute, so you cannot find anything. So what is the attribute, if you guys remember?
So if you want to
Uh-huh.
find the number of medals one, like
uh, what, please repeat. If you want to find the number of, I lost. Anyone of you understand what he was asking?
sir, I was asking
Uh-huh.
the number of medals one. If you want to find, we are able to find the year like 2014.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay,
But
okay.
if you want to know,
Okay, yeah, you can just replace it. This is your row, and inside row you can just type dot find, and which medal you want to find. So you can just copy it. Let's say bronze. This is some play thing. You can do it. Yeah, someone can read the message. Someone is asking something. Yeah, here, and dot text text. Okay.
This session recording will be uploaded on TDS YouTube channel.
Yeah, it will. Though I don't know when, but it will be there. Okay. Okay, so yeah, someone was asking the medal.
yes, sir.
So the medal question, I hope it is clear. Okay, play with it, play
Yes,
with
sir.
it. The method is always simple. You guys have tag, so just play with it. Okay, there is some problem about the attribute. Since I cannot see any attribute, I will explain attribute in another session, or you guys can just open this documentation and you can find some attribute. The thing is, this data doesn't have any attribute. See, what is attribute? Okay, let me show
So
you.
here also, if you want, if we have to access all the attributes, then we have to use the loop.
Huh? Okay.
Here also, to access all the attributes, we have to use the loop. Row find row one, row two, like that.
Okay, I will show you how to create a loop. Okay, but first thing about the attribute. Wait, there was some examples of XML. I saw the stuff here. See, this is attribute. This is attribute. Okay, here link is a tag, and this stuff. This is not text. This is inside your link, है ना? Inside this angular bracket. So this is attribute. Okay, attribute is type is equal to text CCS slash CCS. So this is your attribute. Language is equal to EN. This is attribute. So for now, since we don't have any attribute in our data, so let's discuss it in our session, or you guys can work on it yourself. Okay, we will work on it someday. Okay, so I hope this stuff is clear. So this is the thing. This is the thing. Now the question is, okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now there is some exercise for you, because I also need to work it myself. Now the question is, I want something. I want a list of all year. So you guys need to use some for loop. You guys need to do some indexing, and just give me the list of all year. I want 2014. Then in another row, I want 2016, then 18, then 20, then 22, whatever they are. Okay, I want a list of the year. Just do it. Start working and do it. I am also working. I don't know how to do it. You guys also start working and do it. Find the answer for me.
List of years means you're saying about 2014, 15,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
years,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Just don't use this hard brute force method. Use some for loop.
Okay.
Use some proper Python, because here we have only 5 or 6 line or 5 or 6 envelopes, 5 or 6 tags. What if someone give you the list which have someone give you the document which have 1000 these type of envelope? Okay, so just try write a Python code, use for loop, and please do it.
Yeah, I have done it.
Cool. Who? What's your name?
Radha.
Are nice Radha. Are. Okay. What about other people? Carlton. I bet Carlton also done. Okay, guys. Everyone else, just write it, and I'm also gonna write. Radha, just guide me, okay? If I stuck somewhere.
I posted it in the
Wait, why you posted, man?
message.
Everyone gonna cheat now. Shit. Arey Janma Joy Carlton, man. Okay, guys, no cheating, no cheating. And here we cannot delete it. I don't even have the permission to kick you guys. Let me try on Sarvani. Okay, I cannot kick.
I have done.
Okay, who done? Sarvani?
Nice.
Nice. Bro, you guys, all of you are very fast. Okay, let me do it. Now I am nervous. Now I am nervous.
Done.
Oh man. Okay. Seems like every one of you done. Okay. Uh, okay. So okay, just if you guys are done, then wait and find something for me, something interesting. Let me do the work. Man, you guys are fast.
You, you said only year, no?
Hmm? Yeah,
You
yeah.
said
Just
only year.
yeah. Just find here. Find here.
One loop is sufficient, no?
Huh?
Only
One
one
loop.
loop.
No,
I
I
did with
think.
one loop.
Okay, you use one loop. Okay, okay. Let me do. I mean, yeah, yeah. One loop is also sufficient.
Just two
Yeah,
lines of code.
yeah. One loop is also sufficient. Okay, but let me this method. Maybe I will find something interesting. Huh? So I dot text and j dot text. Let me see. Ah, init object has no attribute text. So for I, okay, for I in range, for j in range. I think I just need to write j dot text. Okay, I need to think again. First, I have this. Then I need to find I in range. I have this row, and for j, okay, inside, okay, I dot print I. Let me check. I'm a very noob coder, so I just write everything from the scratch. I just try to find it. Okay. Okay. So my length should be one comma. Okay. 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 Anyone else doing? Yeah, there is no. Ah, yeah. Again, I am going to one loop, but I think we can do it by the two loop also.
Dot fine.
Hmm?
Dot fine.
No, no, no. Oh, I can do it, bro. Thanks for thanks for suggesting me, but I can do it. I'm not stuck, guys. I don't think that I'm stuck, but yeah, I just
Yeah,
tried to
yeah,
find
that's
something.
Actually, by using two loops,
Yeah,
we don't have that much length of indices.
yeah. I
It is
mean,
out of index ranges.
yeah, doing using
you are
one.
trying to confuse others. We are trying to help others.
Yeah, actually, the thing is, what I was thinking now. I was thinking the big picture in my mind. I was thinking, see, let's say we don't know the number of rows here, so I just use the len root. So for
Yes.
this one, now this one, we can see this 5, but generally we don't have this 5. We have 50,000 or something. So for it, I want to use some loop or second loop, and I want to try to find something. So maybe I need time, but I can find it. Huh?
So rather than using I in range, you
Huh?
can just use the object method, which is row in root.
Row in
Then
root.
it'll just, yeah. So that way, it will
Yeah.
just pull up all the rows, regardless if there's one row or if there's 20,000 rows.
Yeah. The thing is, okay, okay, that's the cool. Okay. See, someone was suggesting. I mean, maybe you guys have this idea. Fine. Okay. We can just write the name of the here. Okay. Now in this method, I use this len root. I don't know how many roots are there. Just close it. Okay. I don't know how many. See, my root is dataset. I use len root. It will give me all the envelope inside this dataset. Okay. And I know that there is somewhere some attribute name here. So I hope it will work. Nice. This is a good code. Okay, now I am proud of myself. This is a good code. Now I don't need to remember, don't need to scroll all the data. I just know there is a one envelope, and inside that envelope I have some year, so I can do it. Okay, yeah, it is fine. I am satisfied. What about you guys? Okay, there are some code. Let me check. Okay, from top we have Prashant's code. No, there are some more code. Okay, okay, so who is facing the problem? Let me check the code. Okay, there is, okay, a carton was suggesting this for row in root, for field in. Okay, same thing, I or J, but it is good to write the English name. Okay, okay, yeah, this is good. Carton use this. If it is equal to year, then print the field text. This is good. Good. Okay, this is also good. This is nice code, because you don't need to find the number of length or something. Just, this is good. This is really good code. Nice carton as always. Jan May Joy. Okay, Jan May Joy did something different. Jan May Joy create a list L, which is an empty list, and append. The method is very much okay. The same method. I think this is nice. This is nice. Okay, good, good. But I really like this cartons method. This is really good, Jan May Joy. Vishwas, I want your answer, and I want different answer. Sanam, you wanna suggest something? This, okay, okay. Prashant. Let's see the Prashant method. I remember when we were discussing about cookies, Prashant wrote his email ID. He sent his email ID, and in the place of cookie, he wrote use yours, something like that. This is nice. Yeah, proper Prashant. Ayushi is very small. Yeah, same trick. Using I and using one. This is nice. Once again. Radha, same I did Ayushi. Okay. Ritik, for child in root. Okay. This is good. Child find y. Okay. Y. Okay. He find all the y which have here, and then print y text. This is good. This is good. This is good. Let me try just print y. So if, see here, if I am gonna print y, it will give me all the years, all the different year, their location, their position, or whatever it is. If you look carefully, you will find these last four characters are different for everyone. Initially few are same, but last are different. Nice. Ayushi did. I found all the root and text.
In this for child in root, y is equal to child dot find dot year dot text. Suppose we had put we just put
No.
we can just print y, no?
He actually print text. I just
yeah, he put
yeah,
text,
he put
but
text.
when assigning only, if you just put text
Yeah.
there in the second
Yeah.
step.
Yeah. We can do it text. You mean this, and it will work. I hope it will work. Yeah, it is working. Okay, now I'm interested in Ayushi's code. It is something long, something different. Print, and okay, this is n for separator for the next line. Okay, something cool. Nice, Ayushi. This is good. Okay, Ayushi, a challenge for you, for everyone. Can we create a data frame type of thing where we have different rows for everyone? Ayushi did a really good job. Don't copy paste her code. But can we create like the a list for year, a list for gold medal, a list for bronze medal? Can we do it? Of course, we can do it. Just do it.
That is something in the form of a table or column, isn't it?
Yeah. Like we have one table here,
Table.
or just try to make it as a list. Someone, I think Jen Majoy is sure about the list. Yeah, Prashant use list. Just create it so we can convert it into data frame. I mean, maybe we can convert it. I don't know for certain. Let's try it. Okay, Ayushi, really good work, man. Really good work. And guys, one tip, like the Ayushi use I and J. Okay, she use here the 0. Yeah, so that's the thing. Since if we have a quite a huge data, then we don't know what is our index here. It may be 0, it may be 1000, 10,000. So try to write generic codes. Don't use these number by yourself. These are literals which have very specific value. Don't use literals. Use some generic code. Though nice work, Ayushi here. Nice work. Now the Purva's code. Okay. Purva use to loop. It's really good. I am really happy. This is generic code. Nice Purva. Shubham again use list. I hope Shubham didn't copy paste Prashant code, because these are the same. Yeah, guys, just do this thing. Okay, create a list. Vishwas left. Hey, Vishwas left. Seriously, man. Okay, he's here. Come on, Vishwas. Vishwas is totally unvishwasable guy. I mean, I don't know if it is a word. Okay, it was Vishwas. Okay, okay, it was Vishwas. Nice. Kapil, this is something different. What is node? Kapil, explain this code to me. Seriously, this is really. He used for loop inside a line. Kapil, explain this code to everyone because this is really good code.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, Kapil. Kapil, explain it.
Okay. So what I did was I used a list comprehension concept. So
Yeah.
I did for loop with a node in root. So each node is a tag, row tag,
Mm-hmm.
and that its first element corresponds to the year tag. So I extracted the text out of that, and that's it.
It's very much like it's like kind of having for loop here, then using this something like this. Is it correct?
Yes. So node one is a year, and its text is this 2014 and all. So while looping through the root, all these years will be extracted.
Okay. To be honest, I have never seen any list comprehension. They teach it in the Python. I don't remember. I got D grade, so leave it.
Yes, sir. They teach it
They
in
teach.
Yes, sir,
list
they do.
comprehension in Python. I mean, what that does is it actually creates an array. So
Okay.
that's why he gets the output as an array.
I will study it, man. I don't know it. I will study it. Okay. Nice. So that's the benefit of being a TA. You can learn a lot of things. Okay, Shala. Nice. And please don't call me sir. As you guys know, I am quite a dumb guy here. So yeah, it's fine. Okay, everyone. Make few list. I am also gonna work here. Don't copy. And no one gonna paste their no one gonna paste their comment. I mean, code in the chat box. Everyone, please do yourself.
What is the question?
Just try to like this is a single list for year. So create all the list. Okay, all the list like one for year, one for serial number, one for medal something. So we can create a kind of database, data set, data frame. Okay.
Can you repeat the question? I'm unable to get
See, this is list for year. Okay. Can you guys create many list for the all, for the serial number, for the medal, gold, for the silver, for the bronze? Just create the list for the all and create a data frame. Okay. This is data frame. This is data
okay.
frame. And with the use of pandas, we can create a data frame. Kapil, so fast. Whoa. Wait. You need to make some changes. This is good, but this is not what I was thinking. You need to make some changes. Give me column wise data. This is row wise data. No. Give me column wise data. Okay. Now I am thinking how we are gonna make different list.
Column wise means he is given column wise, no?
No, no,
Serial
no.
number, year.
No, this is like what is this? This is a row. This is a row for the first. I want like this is a column. This is a whole column for me. See, if I'm gonna convert my data set in this format now, then this is a column. What couple code is giving me this row. So I cannot convert row. Maybe I can convert, but column wise is better.
Okay.
So I think we need to write this loop, this code like 5 times. Here Kapil with his another. Kapil, man, you are really okay. But again, this is the same code now. Just find the column wise data. This is good. I mean, I am totally amazed and totally just impressed. But okay, just try to find column wise data. Give us some solution. Keep it easy. Though this is really good data. This is really good. Kapil, also, if since you are doing this much work, then change the titles, change the column header. Okay, make it little bit proper. Just one line of code. Okay, nice, Purindu. Nice, nice man. So Purindu, what's the idea? You create 5 different lists. Yeah. This is fine. This is proper format. So you create 5 lists, or is there any better method? And he left. Nice.
No, sir, I didn't left. I was actually I joined through my
Oh.
computer. Actually, I am using my mobile phone
Okay, it's
and
fine.
typing it on my computer.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I thought,
Actually, Ahmed, this is the same as couple's answer, right?
yeah, the final answer is same. The final answer is same, but
My answer will always be the same. No,
yeah, of
This
course,
that will
yeah,
not be different.
yeah, but the
The
method
code
is
should be
different.
different.
Actually, the thing is why I am emphasizing on the column. Let's say you have a really huge data, and you have a really huge data, and if you have a column, then you can just remove a column. See, if this column is irrelevant, if this column is something like let's say we are working on a data, land price data, and this column is about um, how many windows, no, not windows, how many people live in the single house, and we are talking about the house price, then how many people are living in the house is not relevant to the deciding factor for the price of house. So maybe we can just remove this whole column. Okay, so that's why working on column wise data is better for data nearly always. So you can reduce, you can find the important attribute, you can remove the useless attribute. Kapil's
Okay.
work is really fine, no doubt, but finding column wise data is useful for us, so only that's why. Here is Kevin. Okay, I'm not gonna write my code. Let's check. Okay, guys. For now, session is very much over from my side. Okay, so this is enough. If you guys,
Sir, I think
Mhm.
Kapil should add the column names.
Yeah, but I know Kapil can do it very easily.
Hmm.
I know Kapil can do it very easily. Let's
Maybe he will be doing that.
yeah,
He did, I think. Yeah, he
Kapil
did it.
Kapil did it. So Kevin's here is Kevin work. Okay, let's analyze Kevin work. This is really good man. Okay, so Kevin created a frame, and inside frame column is equal to x tag for x in root. Nice. So no need to remember or no need to give the column name. He just write a for loop for the column name. Okay. He just used this convention that generally first line is reserved for column or something. Okay. Column data frame, column value for int. Okay. Whose code is this? Kevin. Kevin, explain it, man. Open your mic and explain it. Yeah.
Sir, not, sir, like you said, I just use the tag name because the
Mhm.
because assuming that the base root will have all the same tags.
Yeah.
That's it. And then I just made a uh, for every sorry
For every attribute, for every
attribute. Yes, sir.
column.
I
Yeah.
just put the values in a list and then added the list to the column.
Okay. So
That's it.
basically, you create a okay.
I took the value, I added to the
Mhm.
list call val, and that call val I made into the column of the frame.
Okay, okay. So you find a column, and for the each iteration, let your
Yes, for each column,
yeah, for
this
each
first
column
column
you just
serial
okay,
number, yeah.
yeah, nice. Okay, so you just add your column. One column is done, add it in the data frame. Second column is done, add it in the
Yes,
data frame. That's
yes.
cool approach. That's really nice approach. I'm gonna save this code. Everyone else, just you guys can also ask question to each other. You guys are really good. Couple once again. Couple's single line of code. Yo man, that's some nice, nice. Couple explain kar. Just explain it, man.
Yes, so I created a data frame by doing what is it called, nested list comprehension. And for
Okay.
the columns, I again used the list comprehension. I took the tag names
Uh-huh.
from the node.
Okay. So the guys, for the new people, here couple use this, and when you create a data frame, then you need to give the column name. Column name is just defined as a columns. So he used this is a different. Consider this line as a whole different code, which is for the column. Am I right, couple?
Yes, sir, that's right.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
It's column list.
Yeah, this is a different code. Just consider it different. This is a list for column. This list comprehension method for column, and this is for creating this column wise
Preparing
data.
a nested
Yeah.
loop.
Hmm?
A nested loop is there.
Yeah,
Nested
nested
list
loop
operations.
for data. Okay, Shubham Tiwari. Shubham Tiwari is using this same approach as me, so I am quite happy. I hope it will work fine. Okay, to be honest, I don't know about this list comprehension, so I will study it. But yeah, Shubham, I mean, I'm really happy now. Yeah, cool. Okay, so this is what I want. So I can show everyone how to create data frame. Though I hope everyone know about the data frame. So this is really good. This is really good. Uh, this is Shubham's work. Shubham, explain it. Shubham, explain it for everyone. Open your mic, man. Yeah.
Hello, actually it is simple as we learn in the Python.
Yeah, of course. But it's
I
still explain it some. I know, I know, I know you do it yourself, but just explain for everyone, your fellow co-learner, and also for myself.
okay, okay. I make 5 empty lists, then run a for loop on the length of the root, and by sequentially I append the columns of the data sets. And at last I call it L comma M N O P.
Okay, Shubham, do one thing. Just convert it into data frame and give it a proper name. Okay, try it.
Oh,
Use Google. If you need Google's help, just read the documentation of pandas. You can do it with the help of pandas. And everyone, this is really who is struggling with the code. This is the simplest, easiest code. Like the previous exercise where we were talking about only one column. So just this is one column. Consider it as a single column problem. Define a list, single list. Define a for loop, and have this thing. Okay. So and then since you are append this thing here, this is important. This is like the envelope inside envelope, which is serial number. So you are appending this serial number stuff in the length, and then you are doing the same process. You are appending year stuff in the m. Okay, this is simple code. So if any one of you is struggling, having some problem, these codes maybe need some little bit advanced practice in Python, but this code is very much simple. Now the question is how you are going to convert it into data frame. Okay, nice work, Shubham. Nice work, everyone. Okay, what about other people? We have 30 something.
No, no, I am able to follow the written code, but I am not able to generate it on my own.
Try it. Make some mistake. Okay, just try to understand the concept. Visualize it. Okay, and just create yourself. You are going to make some mistake. It's fine. Just compare where you are making the mistake. It's fine. You can share your code. Someone gonna tell you where is the mistake.
Yes, I'll try.
Okay. And here, guys, once again, you guys need to do this much labor for me. Fill this form and write some honest reviews. I heard someone of you gonna write some cheesy reviews. Instructor was telling me just write some honest stuff. Since I am not gonna read this feedback form, so just write truth. whatever the true stuff is. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the data frame. Okay, so how can use data frame. So for data frame we need to import Python pandas. This is easy stuff. Import pandas as pd. Couple code I found very intuitive and short. Just a small query that note there is root. Okay, I just discuss it. This is couples code. This is couples code. Purendu, just a small query that note there is root. I don't know what he's asking. Kapil, resolve it.
Sir, what? What?
Purendu is asking something in the chat box here. Couples code I found very intuitive and short. Just a small query that Purendu you can also discuss it. What's the what you wanna ask or something?
Actually,
Node.
just asking what that node represent. Does it represent the second level?
No,
Here.
node is the node in the outside list, right?
Mm-hmm.
For node in root.
And
That
then you go
node,
inside.
yeah, that node is the row, and in the nested list, I'm using that row to expand, means access the individual values.
Okay, so you can
This
say this.
data is the tag inside the row,
Oh.
and this
Mm-hmm.
node is the row inside the data.
Yeah, that was what I was asking. Is it on the second level?
Yeah, the inside thing is on the second level. The data is on
Yeah.
second level. Node is first level.
Okay, so
Okay.
if I try to make it simple, it is I and it is j, and j is in I. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Now I
let's say.
get it.
I hope it will work. I don't know. I don't want to make a fool of myself. Okay, it is not working. Leave it. Okay, leave it. So for node in root, it means this is my root, and node is
Mm-hmm.
for all the rows, and then data is for these serial number, year, medal. Is it correct? That's couple.
Okay. The same problem that you had right now. So I was also trying with like I and J, and I was not
Huh.
getting. That's why I asked this.
Oh, but why we are not getting? We can also okay, okay, okay. I got the idea. See, I here, I here. If you are gonna write J here, then you
Hmm.
need to change it.
Okay. I
Now it's
think then it
now
will
it's fine.
work. Yeah,
Okay,
it worked.
yeah. So just
Okay.
consider this level as a I. This is the I level.
Hmm.
Whatever inside it, there's the I. Means all rows are the I, and everything which is inside row, like serial number, year, medal, medal, medal. This is J.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is it clear?
I got it. I got
Yeah,
the idea.
nice,
Thank you.
nice. Yeah, fine. I no need to say thank you, man. This is kind of my job. Okay, okay, everyone. Yeah, we were talking about the data frames. Okay, so let's talk about the data frame. Import pandas as PD, and here I want to create some data frame. So let's say I want to work only on L. So generally we call data frame as a data frame df, and then data frame frame. Remember we need to write capital D capital F. Here I can just write. Let's use this code Shubham's code L. I am using L. Okay, and then I am gonna print. Just pay attention. When I am gonna print df, you will see L. Okay.
It's pd dot data frame.
Sorry. My bad. My bad. Stupid mistake from my side. Who is this? Man, you got
Sahla.
Shala. Nice man. Shala is always lifesaver. Okay. Okay. So you guys can see. I just use single line, and it is giving me this in data frame format. Okay. So if I want to use some name, some column name, then I can just write some column name here. I can use comma columns columns is equal to, and inside square bracket I can write this is serial number. So let's write serial number. Okay, uh, and here I have this stuff. Okay, so if I want a lot of, okay, so this is my first code. Just copy, and is it clear for the single list? Is it clear, everyone who is not able to create data frame? Someone, come on, man. I think everyone know what is data frame. Okay, so leave it, bro. I am just wasting my brain.
No, sorry.
What?
Please
Seriously?
go ahead.
Arek,
Please go ahead. No,
Come
no,
on,
I was
brother.
just correcting. I was not getting this.
Uh-huh.
Then I realized that D should be capital.
Okay. Yeah, yeah,
This is the
yeah.
first time. This is the first time I'm using data frame. So please go
Ah,
ahead and
then
explain.
good, then good. Now I got some motivation. Okay, at least I have one supporter here. Okay, okay, Radha. So is it clear how to create data frame from the single list? If you have single list, that's how you can create data frame. Is it clear?
Yeah, that columns is a you
This is
put
kind of
L as a list, and columns is the title.
yeah, column inside you need to
Okay,
give the title,
okay,
and I just steal the list from Shubham's code. Okay,
okay. Yeah, yeah.
okay. So this is the stuff, and also remember here we need to write s. So this is convention. If you are gonna change it as a column, it will not work.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. So this is kind of function or something, some parameter. Okay, so now I need to enter different like 6 different lists or 5 different lists. So I'm just copy pasting here. Okay, so now I want to try something. I don't know if it will work or not. Can I write all the list name as it is? Someone, Shala, Kapil, huh? I can write all the list name here now. L M N O P, L M N O P. Let's see if it will work or not. Okay, we have P, and let me write the different name for everyone. Here year and gold.
Actually, I think in chat, Manish has put similar code, and it is very easy also.
Okay. I will check. I will check. Bronze spelling, is it correct? I hope it's correct. And let me. Okay, columns got multiple value, but that's how we write it. Correct. Okay. See, if there is some problem, it is not. It is taking only single value. So we can do one thing. We can just cut, and we can create different variable. Let's say names. Names is equal to this list, and I can write name here. Names here. I hope it will work. Or someone can correct me. What's the problem here?
I think columns S should not come.
But okay,
I
but
think so.
no,
No,
ads
it's
should be there.
column.
Ads s is always there. Okay, I don't know what's the problem.
You're giving a number of lists, right? L M N.
Op,
That's
yeah.
why I guess.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
that's why.
No, I don't think this is a problem. If no, then I need to do this line again and again. Let me check. Okay, someone has solution, then okay, otherwise I need to Google it.
Sir, if you put all element
Yes,
of in
it's
one list
or
and
either
access,
make it a list.
can
Just
I
just
read?
one person at a time, please. Okay, speak. Someone, come on.
So
Uh,
all
uh,
LMNOP are to be
That must be in the
found,
list. That's
Okay, okay,
yes,
okay, okay, okay.
and we have to
Sorry,
access by a variable.
sorry. This is stuff like this, huh?
yes.
No, bigger error, quite a huge error. Pass data has six
So
column,
the
5 column passed.
You missed a column, I guess. Or
But see, this is for L, this is for M, this is for N, this is for O, this is for P. Bro, this session is recorded, and here I am sticking. Okay, nice. Here, this is.
Hello, could I know who is the speaker here?
Hmm?
Are you the TA?
Yeah. Okay. I don't. Okay, that's. Who's asking the question? Who's asking the
Hello.
question?
Actually, I'm joining the TA session. That is why.
Okay. Who's
Hello.
the TA here? I don't know. I am the TA. Okay. What's your name?
Okay, so I'm
Okay.
Kritika
Okay,
and
Pratika.
I'm joining
Okay.
for the first time on this session.
Okay.
And yeah, and just I had a couple of questions to be cleared off. Can I ask them now?
Yeah, you guys can, you can ask. Okay, everyone, you guys can just figure it out this problem. I don't know who made me TA. Okay, fine. Yeah, Kritika, please ask.
Okay, so basically, just I was just going through the 4B content, and in that, in the first video itself, there are some scikit-learn libraries that are,
Yeah.
yeah. So those libraries, they are not taught; they are directly introduced in the lecture.
Yeah, Kritika, I suggest you there is one solution. You should join my sessions because in the last session we just discussed guys, है ना, sklearn library. So yeah, so the thing is, Kritika, Kritika or Pritika, whatever the name is. Okay, fine. The thing is, you guys gonna learn all the sklearn stuff in MLP course. Here you just need to remember how to understand the code, how to use the code if you find someone. And for the detailed understanding, you better join some TA sessions. Okay.
Actually, I have not joined any. This is my first session. So scikit-learn is done, right?
Half part of the static learn is done. We discussed some linear regression and which we discussed some one problem. I don't remember which one, and one problem is remaining. So we will discuss it soon.
Oh, okay. So it was not today, right?
No,
Today you have not done.
today we are working on web scraping, XML.
Okay, that is which week, if I'm not
This is
wrong.
not weak. This is for knowledge. Come on. This is for ROE stuff. This is important for ROE. I don't know if they are gonna ask it ROE, but this is for knowledge.
Okay, fine. Are these sessions recorded?
Web scraping sessions are recorded, not all.
Okay. Actually, I've also gone through the calendar. I have not seen any session recording. That is why I'm asking.
Yeah, session recordings are not on calendar. I mean, okay. Uh, there are only.
Can you please put it there so that everybody can access?
Just go to the YouTube. You can find it on the YouTube channel of the TDS. It's always there. I mean.
Acha, okay.
Okay.
Fine, fine. Anyway.
Okay, man.
Amit?
Yeah, Radha.
See, I was just putting this, whatever you've done, DF. I was just putting it for one list. You got it, no? That serial number one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That also I'm not getting. It is throwing some error for me.
Just match your code here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just keep it as a list. Okay, okay.
Anyone find the solution of that problem? Carton and Kapil.
Sir, my request is,
Uh-huh.
first of all, list should be declared, and then we have to access by variable with for loop. For
Okay.
in the range so and so 5 columns is equal to some list names of I. Similarly, for this
Yeah,
LMN work, also a list should be declared first.
yeah, yeah. It must be. Yeah, that's really a mistake. We should declare it first. Right. Correct. Correct.
I posted one solution.
Okay. Okay. Who? Okay. Ritik. Nice man. Actually, two people posted the solution. One is Prashant. There is some good solution here. Okay. Okay. I will check it all. Name column. Yeah. That's what just Sanjeev. Huh? Sanjeev just suggest. Okay. Fine, guys. Today I'm making lot of mistakes, but okay. Fine. And Pritika
So
left.
you can create a dictionary and pass the values as list and then use that to create the data frame.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Of course.
Standard way.
We can create the dictionary. Dictionary is also option. But you know what? I don't want to use all the Python concept here. It will be very confusing. So it's good to just use some stick to some basic fundamental concept and just try to understand it. Then after you are free to use any concept. Okay, let me. Okay, if you guys have any question, I mean, from my side, session is very much complete. I am gonna close the recording. Then we can discuss some random stuff. Okay. Anyone else wanna ask some question from the XML scraping? We will talk about Python later, but about the XML scraping. Anyone? Is this clear? This tree structure is clear. You guys can understand tree structure, right?
Yes.
Okay. And scraping part, we just we studied this library, this ET. I hope this is very easy and very clear. And then we use this parse. This is a function and tree get root. This stuff is clear, right? No query
Yes,
here,
sir.
you know. So I think
Free and root.
yeah, I think XML parsing is done. This stuff is XML
Yeah.
parsing. The only thing is how we can manipulate our data in a better way. So this data, this was shared by, I sorry, I don't remember the name, but someone. So this is also good. You guys can work with it, and you guys can work with it also. But the only question is how can make our stuff better and better. So I think XML is done. So I am gonna close the recording. If anyone have any proper question related to XML, then we can discuss.
So
Otherwise,
just one small question.
yeah, yeah, please, please.
Will be more XML sessions, or this is the final one?
Actually, the thing is, this is no okay. I will answer it later. Anyone else XML related question, not technical or operational question. No.
So what is the main use of XML?
XML is used to preserve, not preserve, store your data and transfer your data. So you will find lot of data set. You will find a lot of data set into XML format. So as a data scientist, it is really important for us to know how to parse XML. Though you can read it, it is very much, you can see it is very much human readable. A human can read it. Also, machine can also read it. So it is very good, very well structured data, which is easy to understand, easy to write. Uh, Okay, so these are the use of XML. Lot of data repository use XML format to save the data, like
Amit,
JSON.
is it low memory than CSV?
It is low memory than CSV. I don't know the answer, but I think this is very much same. In fact, CSV may be lower because CSV is only comma, and here you need to use lot of tags. So if you calculate bitwise, then CSV is lower. This is my calculation. Maybe I'm wrong.
Sir, one more advantage I think
Uh-huh.
we can use user-defined tags that can be easily understood the given data.
What? Can you please repeat?
User-defined tags are
Ha ha.
allowed in this
That's
HTML.
also true. If we are gonna use user,
But I don't know whether it is allowed in HTML also.
it is not allowed in HTML. HTML has already predefined some specific tags.
Predefined. This is the advantage
Yeah,
of XML.
yeah. This is also advantage. In fact, I was working on a data, quite a huge data. It have a whole sentence as a tag. I mean, they just write the whole sentence as a tag. So it's totally user defined. Yeah, nice, nice. This is also advantage. Okay.
Then we can save the data in CSV format itself, right? Why do we use XML if it is
Okay.
higher in data?
As the Carlton answered, here we can create one envelope inside another envelope inside another envelope. So we can create lot of layers. Uh, Meanwhile, CSV is very much a flat data. See, if I am gonna ask you, just generally in the CSV we have a row, we have row wise data, we have column wise data. There is no third dimension or something. Here you can create third dimension also. I am talking something bizarre technical stuff, but just think about it. Okay, here you can create envelope inside envelope inside envelope. Okay, which you cannot do in CSV. Okay, anyone else wanna ask anything about XML? And also, guys, study little bit XML, little bit yourself, because I also am not a pro. I study XML like for past 2 days only. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna close the
I
recording.
mean,
Yeah, 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 please, please.
see, I typed the same code as yours, but I'm getting a very big error.
Okay, then do one
Same
thing.
for me.
Just
Same
install
for me.
pandas.
Same. This import pandas as PD df is equal to pd dot data frame where the cursor is
Okay, so then
the
show me your
cursor.
just copy paste your code here, and or you wanna show, then you can show your screen, or just copy paste your
Same
code here.
for me also, Amit. Same, I'm getting
Okay,
error.
and who are you? I can't recognize your voice.
Sarvani.
Okay, Sarvani. I
Should
know.
I should I sh- should I share the
They're
screen or
using
Yeah, 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 sure.
no.
Oh, okay. First, let me close the recording. It's been already more than 2 hours. Okay.